Hello. Yeah, in this second video we are going to second video of the series. Okay, we are going to teach you about the importance of GitHub, Git technology for the IT students. Okay, then stay with me. Then I will teach you from very absolute basics. Okay, for the beginners. Okay, then so that you will learn each and everything about GitHub. Okay, then yeah, this is the very free course on the YouTube. You will learn a lot from my effort, so that please don't forget to like, okay, the video. Don't forget to subscribe the video, and please click on the bell icon. Okay, so you will get this sort of IT related videos for free, and each and every time you log in. Okay, you go on your YouTube, then you will find such types of videos. Okay, let's start from right now. Okay, what is Git? Okay, Git is it's very interesting. Okay, it's a Git technology and GitHub. Okay, Git technology and GitHub, they are slightly different. Okay, many people think they are similar, but they are not similar. Okay, then I will tell you, we for learning we can use ChatGPT, and we can use that AI technology. Okay, let's ask. Okay, then actually Git was at first made by Linus Torvalds, who created that Linux operating system, very famous Linux operating system. Later on, then GitHub, okay, not that Git, okay, GitHub, the next thing, GitHub made it available, and later GitHub was acquired by Microsoft, and now we can use the GitHub. It's free. Okay, many things. Okay, most of the things, most of the functionalities free, but there are some things that are paid also. Okay, then paid version is mainly used by the large companies. Okay, you can see Git looks like this. Okay, you can see the Git looks like this. Okay, you can see GitHub. Okay, you can see here, here it is. Okay, your profile. Okay, you can have your profile name. Okay, it's the Facebook for, it's just like the social media for web developers and IT professionals. Okay, there are so many people, they have the repositories. Okay, and in the repositories people put their code. Okay, then people the programmers put their those, you can see the commits. Okay, each and every day, and I will tell the importance of it, and I will tell how to install it. Okay, why Git is important. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. You can see here, I'm doing this project right now. There are 71 commits on here. Okay, then let's make it little bit bigger right now. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger right now. You can see, then sometimes, okay, I have made this one. Okay, I have made this one, and sometimes you can see I have to, I'm making this thing. Okay, and sometimes what happens, I make one thing. Okay, I make one thing and I save that thing, but because of you know that web development is a bit tricky thing. It's a bit hard thing. We have to install so many things on here. Okay, we have to write so many codes on here. Okay, and even a simple semicolon or simple comma can break your websites. Okay, and sometimes those websites are, okay, sometimes those things are so complex that you get overwhelmed by it. Okay, and it becomes very hard to maintain it. Okay, so at that time, what you can do, you can simply go back to the previous one. Okay, check out to the previous one, copy this thing, and then, okay, and you can come back, and you can discard this front head, and you can do this one. Okay, it has become little bit hard for you to understand. I will tell another very nice example. Okay, for example, you have made a very nice application. Okay, the company manager or the owner of the website or the business person has said you to put some things on there, like log in with Facebook, log in with Google, and log in with TikTok. Okay, he has told you to do that thing. Okay, and you have put that thing, it took you, okay, and you have put that thing, and you have put the another things also. It take you about, okay, 1 day, 2 days for you to proceed on that thing. But later on, suddenly the owner says, no, I don't like this one. Okay, I don't like this feature. Okay, I don't like to log in with TikTok. It's a bit fancy. Okay, then I don't like it. You remove it. Okay, then it would be a very hard task for you, okay, to just manually delete all those things. What you can do, you can simply go back. Okay, you can simply go back and just click on here. You go to the Git. Okay, then what you can do, you can have that one Git CHECKOUT. Okay, then what you can do, you can copy that, paste that thing. Okay, then you proceed, and it will take back to you. Okay, it will take back to you to that point. Okay, so that it becomes very easy for you. And the next thing is that, for example, next very great use of it, for example, you work on your home computer. Okay, you make some software, and then you go to the office. Okay, and you don't need to carry your computer. Okay, you can just go on your office, and what you can do, you can do git clone. Okay, and after cloning the git, okay, you can get your things, you can access all your things very easily and very efficiently. And the next one is that, next one you can see, there are so many things, there are so many that websites has so many codes. Okay, and sometimes the files are very heavy. For example, you can see I have on my 62 repositories. Okay, yes, and there are so many the big projects, okay, that carry a lot of that codes. Okay, and if you put all those things on your local computer, okay, and your computer will be overloaded, and it will start to become slow. And what's the best approach? Okay, you delete the things. Okay, you upload. Okay, at first you upload those things on the GitHub. Okay, then you delete it from the local computer. Then you give access of your GitHub to the other person. Okay, to your owner, and they can check it. And other things is your collaborators, okay, your friends, okay, and they can collaborate. Okay, suppose you are very good in front end, then you have very less idea in the back end. What you can do, you can code for the front end of that project, okay, in the Git. Okay, share it with the Git, and at the same time another collaborators come and do in the back end. Okay, for example, you can see I have done these things. Okay, I love server side backend. Okay, and I have coded this thing. Okay, I have coded these things. Okay, controller, helper. Okay, and I have another friend who is very good in front end. Okay, he makes very artistic that things. Okay, he has a sense of art in the, and he does that thing, and we combined it, and we create very nice application. Okay, then GitHub is good on that sense. Okay, and let's go for how to install GitHub. Okay, from step by step. Okay, let's go for it right now. And I have already told, okay, I want to embrace the new technology. I want to embrace that ChatGPT and AI services. Okay, so that we can learn too many things. Okay, then let's go step by step. Okay, then at first what we have to do for making the GitHub, okay, for the Git, we have to go, okay, and we have to install that Git, okay. And for installing the Git, we can go that you can see, I will take you to the website, okay. Here we go. Here, okay, here. Then let's go for it right now, okay. That Git, okay, scm, okay, .com, okay. Then we go on there, okay. This is the official Git, okay. And then Git is different from GitHub, okay. It's a version control system. It's a free and open source, okay. It was developed by Linus Torvalds, okay, who developed Linux operating system, and then it was implemented by GitHub, okay. And what you have to do for installing the Git, you have to go to that just go on download for Windows, okay. Just go on here, very easy step, okay. Then you can have just this one, okay. Click here to download, okay. Click here to download, okay. It will start to download, okay. Then just wait, yes, you can see on here it is, it has become downloaded, okay. Once it has become downloaded, yes, just go for here. If you use Linux, or if you use Ubuntu, if you use like Fedora, okay, Linux versions, okay, then you can go and search, okay. Then you can search the commands, okay, and you can copy and paste those commands on your terminal, okay. Then GitHub will be installed for you, okay. Then here we go, install, okay. Then it starts to take you, okay. This is for Windows, okay. This is for the standard Windows I'm doing, okay. It takes some time. You can have a look for it, okay. And then you can see, yeah, it's being continued. Then launch git bash, okay. You have to do that thing, launch git bash, okay. And you have to follow another steps also, because I have already installed that Git, so that few steps come for me, okay. More steps will come for you, okay. Then you just click, okay, and then you finish it, okay. Then it's started now, okay. This is the main Git portion, okay. This is the git bash area. You can see, very beautiful, yeah, very beautiful, okay. It looks like this way. Then once you do this thing, okay, and you will get like this one, okay, like this one. You can see, yeah, this is the one you will get. This is the git bash thing, okay. Then how to do this git bash thing? Let's have a look for this one. Then we can have, okay, then we go, here it is, okay, for the Git. Then clear, okay, it's a we can put the Git commands on here, okay. It will be very easy for you, okay. And let's, after installing the Git, okay, what you can do, we go on the GitHub, that one, okay. Just have a look, here it is, github.com, okay. And you can have, and there you can just, if you don't have account, okay, you go there and you create the account, okay. Once you create the account, okay, you will come here like this one, okay, and you will be logged in on this page, okay. Once you are logged in this page, okay, what you can do, just you go on this part, okay, here we go, and what you do, here it is, okay, you can go on here, this is much better, okay, plus, okay, create new, and here it is, okay. I'll make it little bit bigger, okay, little bit bigger, okay, and here it is. Okay, new repository. Okay, you can have new repository, yes. Okay, and for example, in the repository I like, okay, here it is, git traing. Okay, then let's go for it. You can that description optional. Okay, here it is. This is the tutorial for learning the basic git, okay, and apply in everyday projects. Okay, that's the one. And after that one, what you do, you can put the readme file if you wish. Okay, then what you can do, you click on this screen, okay, and create. Yes, it is. Okay, it has been created. Okay, it has been created. And then what would you do for this one, for this git training? Okay, then you can have the another also. Okay, new repository. Okay, here it is. Okay, git here it is. Okay, and here it is. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, you get this screen. Okay, you get this screen, then you create the new one. Okay, new one, that git. Okay, and what you do after doing this thing, okay, and after doing this thing, you want to push your, for example, you want to push your files. For example, this is the YouTube, and if you want to push your files, okay, this I want to push this coding files on YouTube, okay, sorry, GitHub. What I do, here is my React app, okay, and these things are on here. And what I will do, then here it is, we can go up on here, okay, and here I click on right click, okay, and what I will see, this is the Windows 11, okay, or Windows 10, the same thing. So more options, and open git bash here. Okay, yes, we can see the git bash on here. Here it is. Okay, and what you can do with this git bash, okay, then you can push all those your files on the GitHub. Okay, then you can see it right now, there is nothing on here, just this thing. Okay, and you can create the commit. Okay, how you can do that thing? At first, what you have to do, you go on here, then you type some commands on here. Okay, what you do, at first you have to configure yourself. Okay, you have to configure your name at first. Okay, then you can see how you can do for the first time, but later on you don't need to do that. First time you have to write username and passwords things. Okay, your username, your passwords on the git as the command. Okay, and what it looks like, it looks like this way: git, okay, config, config, okay, then global, okay, user dot name, and here it is, you write your name. Okay, for example, I write ASHOK NUBNA 100, yeah, this is my name. Okay, username. Okay, then you do that one, and later on, okay, git, okay, config, config, okay, dash dash global, okay, then user dot email, then you can write, okay, your email. Okay, you can do. Okay, then what you can do, sometimes they need the password also. Okay, then at the first time, okay, you can go there and you can provide the password on there, and later on then you can simply, okay, have some commands. The first, you don't need to memorize all the commands. Later on you will understand each thing and everything once you do the practice, okay. But here what you can do, you can have that thing. At first is git init, okay. It says initialized empty git repository, okay. Then what you do, this next step, okay, git add, then space and dot. It means it will add each and every file, okay. If you want to add one file also, you can put the file name on here. For example, txt.png, for example, my coding.jsx. You can do that thing, but it is bit hard, okay. Then why don't you do simply git add and simply dot, okay, then it will go, okay. Then the next one is then git commit yum, okay, and for example you do first commit commit, okay. You can do like this way, it will give these things. But for the first time, okay, you have to do, what you have to do, you have to this one thing, origin, git remote add origin. I mean, like, what thing is in the origin, okay, what thing we have created on here before. What you can do, you just copy on here and you can come back and you can go here, okay, then git, okay, then you can do the things, okay, git remote add origin, okay. You can see git remote add, okay, origin, okay, dot dot dot, okay. But Git has made the things very easy, okay. You don't need to even do all the things, okay. Git has given you very simply, okay, it has given you all the files in the copyable things. You can see here. Let's have a look, okay. What it says, quick setup. If you don't have, if you haven't done this kind of thing before, okay, it has given you, okay. Or create a new repository on the command line, very easy. Just you can go on here, one, okay. Here we have done git init, okay, git add, git commit yum, git branch yum, it's a main branch, okay. Or you can make it master branch also, it depends on you. And git remote add origin here, and git push u origin main on here. What you can do, simply, very simple, just go on here, copy, okay, just go on here, copy, very easy, very straightforward, okay. Then you go on that one, git, okay, just go on here and just click on here, okay. Then what you can do, here it is, okay, and you just paste the thing on here. You paste the thing on there, then you can see it's done, okay, it's done. You can see, yes, it is done. Then you can see now it has pushed all those things, okay, on your GitHub account, okay. The things on here, you can see the things on here. Yeah, I have one React project, okay. These things are sent to the GitHub account, and you can see here this thing comes, okay, this thing comes on you if you have set up this one thing, okay, that is okay. Then all the icons you can get, you can, some people can see you faintly, some that depends on the option, okay. And the view option, okay, in the view option some people show, okay, so the hidden items, okay, it will be seen, this will be seen, okay. If you do this one, this will be seen, okay. But it's better you go, because you are a developer, okay, you go on here and hidden items, okay. That's very nice, okay. Then this Git has so many files in here. You can see hooks, oh, so many codes, okay. You can see all those things and everything's, okay. You don't need those things, okay. Just I am showing you, okay. Configure, okay, all the things, you don't need anything, okay. Simply this file has come to your computer, and you can see just go on here, it is, it has been connected to this point, okay. And what you do, you just refresh this thing. Yes, you can see magic had happened, okay. Magic has happened, okay. Then this Git training has come here, okay. Here I have 2 commits, okay. You can see one commit is the first, okay, sorry, I have refreshed 2 times so that it has gone on here, okay. Then you see these things right now, okay. But still you have to go back and you have to send those files, okay, send the other files also. What you have to do, we have 2 commits right now, okay. Then what we do, we go on here, it is, okay. Again start the git command, okay, git init, okay. Then git add dot, okay, here it's space, don't forget this space, okay, dot, okay. Then click, okay, you can see, you go on here, then git commit yum, okay, pushing all the computers, local computers file on GitHub account, okay, repo as repo, okay. You can write similar things on here, but make it meaningful, okay. Sorry for teaching you, I have made it a little bit longer, but make it short and concise so that your company owners and your IT development manager will see it, your friends can see it, and they can find, okay, it's good enough or not, okay. They can do by that way. Then just hit enter, okay. Then you can see, okay, CL clear git push you origin main, okay. Then yes, it's everything up to date, it says, okay. Create React app, okay. You can see create React app on here, okay. Sorry, it's on here, create React app. Then here it is, coding, okay, my React app, okay. Then what you do, you can go on here inside, okay, here it is, okay. That what you do, then git bash on here, then okay, you can see here, okay, git init, same way, git add a, okay, git commit yum, okay, push the content to the GitHub, okay, git push you origin main. Then all thing will go from here, okay. Then you can see, you can go on here, okay, you can see here it is, okay. Then your all files will have been gone, okay. Here it is, the same things, okay, these things, this thing, this thing, this thing, okay, everything will go inside, okay. And other things, I will tell the other things also. For example, you go on here. Here it is. You open this one with code, okay, Visual Studio Code. Then you can see, just go on here. Yes, okay. For example, you have gone to one file, okay. Here it is, okay. We have changed something. Here it is. I have made some changes in my local computer files. For example, you have done this thing, okay, blah, okay, you have done those things on your computer, okay, and you have done the task, okay. Once you have done all those tasks, okay, what you do, okay, if you have done all those things, okay, your work in the local computer, and then you have to go to office, and what you can do, you go on that file, okay, just on this file. This is your file, okay, you have opened on your this one, okay, this one, Visual Studio Code. And what you do, right click again. After right click, what you do, you can see open Git bash here. You can see, because you have made some changes on here, it will show, okay. Then again you have to apply the same thing, okay, that add, commit, push, three things. I tell you, very simple. Add, commit, push, okay. You can write on the small note also. I tell you, for the first 1 or 2 days, okay, it will be something hard for you to memorize, but later on it comes in your mind very easily. It's very simple thing, okay. It will get very simple by practice, okay. And what you have to do, the same thing, git init, you can see, yes, initialized, okay, git add, then you have to write the space also, space, yeah, dot, add every changed file, okay, mention that thing, okay, then enter, okay, then git, what I have told you, add, initialized, okay, add, commit, push, okay, git commit yum, this yum goes for message, okay, this yum goes for message, and double quote or single quote, anything, okay, the next commit for, okay, the next commit for, here it is, okay, the next you write something meaningful, you can write by yourself also, change done in my home computer, okay, that's it, okay. It says one file has been changed, okay, here it is, you can see one file, this app.jsx has been changed on here, and it says, you can see 3 insertions, okay, 3 things were inserted and 1 deletion, 1 thing was deleted, okay. It tracks each and everything from your computer. Very fantastic and very nice, okay. You can see git push, you can write either u also, -u means it's upstream. The benefit of upstream is, if you are going to clone it next time, or if you want to pull that git on the next time, it will come straight away, very easily, okay. Then git push -u, okay, then origin, okay, main, okay, you can see, yes, it's done, it has been done, okay, you can see, just go on here, here it is, just go on here, you can go on here, this has been done on here, here it is. Just you can see 1 minute ago. Yes, the next commit for change done in home computer. Okay, and what you can do, you can go to the office. Okay, then in the office what you can do, once you go to the office, you log in into your GitHub account. Okay, you log in. Once you log in, you go and you'll get this thing, and what you can do, you can come here and you copy this thing. Okay, copy, and you will do git clone. Then I will make one file, I will make one video about how to clone the git. Okay, then you can do the things very easily. Okay, and if you like, if you have something that confusing about this video, please ask the question. Okay, if then I will answer you. Okay, then please don't forget to write please don't forget to like it, please don't forget to comment it. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. Okay, have a good day, happy coding. Thank you very much. Okay, good.